How to draw a seahorse, step by step. Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. So for the first step, we're going to begin by making a circle in the center of our page for the eye of our seahorse. Nice job! Now in the center of that circle, we're going to make a second circle. We're not going to color anything in just yet, but this will be the pupil of our seahorse. Now a little to the left of the eye that we just made, we're going to begin to make the first ear. Well, actually this will be the only ear, but this will have 3 U-like shapes with one line on the bottom connecting all those U's. Nice! Now right above the eye that we previously made, we're going to add in an upside down C-like shape. This will be the eyebrow of our seahorse. Now to the right of the eye, we're going to make a sideways oval that will be colored in black. This will be very small and it will be the tip of the nose of our seahorse. Now moving below the ear on the left hand side of the page, we're going to make a long curvy line that will connect to the nose. This will help make the outline of the top of the head. Now at the point of the line where we first started, we're going to begin to make a small circle. This will be for the fin. Inside of the circle that we just made, we're going to add in an upside down Y for detail. Now we're going to add in a line below the eye in the center of the page that will connect to the nose that we previously made. Next, slightly below, we're going to add in a swirl. This will be the end point of our seahorse's tail. Now next, starting from the left fin, we're going to add in a big sideways upside down C-like shape that will connect from the fin to the tail swirl that we just made. Now that we have an empty space, we have to close it off as well as finish the tail of our seahorse. We're going to do this by adding in a line that will be coming down from what we previously made, along with a C that will be kind of on an angle. Great job on how to draw hub crew. Next up, we're going to begin to make the chest of our seahorse. Inside of this chest for detail, we're going to add in lines that will be horizontal going from left to right. So far this is coming along very well. Now up by the nose, a little to the left, we're going to begin to add in a curved line for the mouth. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. Next, we have to go to the top of our seahorse and we have to begin to make the coronet, which will be going from the left fin all the way to the top of the head. When making the coronet, just imagine as if you're making very wide U-like shapes, or almost C's. Be sure to stick around to the very end so that we can color our drawing together. Now inside of the coronet that we just made, we're going to add in lines for detail that will look similar to what we made on the chest. Now for detail on our Seahorse, we're going to add in a total of 9 small circles that will be 3 by the ear, 3 in the middle of the chest, and 3 below the fin. Now last but not least, we're going to add in 3 more circles for detail by the nose. They'll be starting from smallest, going to largest. Thank you for watching Untitled Draw Hub. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you up to date on the latest drawing tutorials. Also, be sure to give this video a big like. Now stick around so that we can call on our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.